This is a review of the Bug Magnifying Viewer. It's a 3x magnifying insect observation kit, and I wanted to demonstrate it today. Now you can see it comes in a very handy size, not too big, not too small, so it is easy to carry around. It does provide 3x magnification, which I'm going to demonstrate. So if you have a child who's really into bugs or plants and wants to see them magnified, this is a great tool. Now this does not come with the set, but I wanted to use it to demonstrate how it magnifies bugs. So you can see your child simply puts this device up to the bug and the magnification starts right away. They can see the details of the bug or the plant, and it really provides hours of entertainment and education. Now it does also come with 8 air vents on the top. It has a 7-centimeter ruler on the bottom base, which attaches over here. So overall, this is a great educational tool, easy to use, and will provide a lot of fun and education to your child.